Look. There he is. A wild bean. Never seen one this close before. Poking out behind the truck. Look, there he is. So majestic. So natural. First one caught on camera. Welcome to vlog. I think it's 80. Bean's gonna hate me for that one.
Unfortunately, the time has come. I didn't think this time would come this soon, but today is the day we are taking these spacers off of the truck. Now, you guys are probably gonna ask why, because it looks really good. And yes, I agree, it looks good, but I'll get there. So just let me pull the truck in, and we're gonna get the spacers off today. No, you can't buy them. I'm gonna tell you right now, no, you can't buy them. Maybe. Ask me later. So this next part might get a little confusing, so let me break it down for you. I had planned on pulling the truck in. You see, this is me right there. I had planned on taking the 4-inch spacers off today, and as I'm pulling the truck in, you can see me here doing that. Wow, it actually looks pretty good. Maybe I shouldn't have taken the spacers off. Anyway, as I'm pulling the truck in, somebody starts freaking out on me. Boss starts freaking out. You know that deal. So here I am pulling the truck right back out, literally across the parking lot, into the same exact spot, literally like nothing happened. Yep, there I am, back in my parking spot. Yay. Look at this big ass.
Hey, you don't have this down by 4:30? No.
Yeah, we need this done in 20 minutes. I think you're good. What are these, 44s? This thing is freaking huge. These tires are literally almost as tall as I am. Look at that, wait. Look, it actually says the tire size, 395, 85, 20s. Holy shit.
He said once you had this done first thing in the morning, all right?
First thing in the morning.
By lunch.
By lunch.
By yourself.
By myself. I didn't know Michelin's 395, 85, 20. Hey, why wider than me? Can y'all tell that this truck is green? It's literally green camo, and you can barely even tell that it's green on the camera. That's crazy. Let me see it, let me see it. Let me see it, let me see it. I love this thing, I don't care what you say. Look how long that pull. Look how long that pull string is. And gone. What's this sweet peach named? Zip ties. Yay! Yay! We gotta ride this thing, come on.
I'm not unloading it, I gotta go cut grass. I'll probably have it for the next couple days because I'm too lazy to unload it.
Okay. Cool.
Fiberglass.
We gotta ride it down the street one day.
Down the street.
Yay! Hey, the dually is for sale. Dually's for sale. If you guys want the dually, hit me up. It's for sale. Brand new transmission in it. Look how clean them wheels are. Look how clean them wheels are. Look at the wheels. Y'all don't want to know what we've gone through today. Make sure those wheels are clean. It is for sale though. So you guys saw the truck on 395s. Got this Jeep over here too. We are just stacked at the shop today. What are you doing? Going to Publix. Look at this. This ain't bad. I ain't mad at it. It's got the no offense, but it's got the wannabe RBPs on it, the Conforcers. Those are the wannabe RBPs.
Look at it.
Do the deep dish combo mambo. Look at that. The deep dish. Fox shocks with the light bar and the dark tint. Hell yeah. Is that supposed to do that?
There's no bushing.
It's custom.
Yeah, that's it.
That's custom right there.
So, New Year's a couple years ago.
Look, you scrub too.
So New Year's a couple years ago, this how the plastics got really bad. I got really drunk, wanted to ride wheelies on it. My parents took the keys, and that time was like 14 or 15. So I wasn't drunk, but Mountain Dew. Anyway, so up under here is the wires to the ignition. All those, I don't know if you can see them.
Yeah, I see them.
I just ripped them apart and they started. So now if it's running, the neutral neutral light's always on. Always on. The switch doesn't do anything.
Well, I can see why you call it zip ties, because
hey, they're drift stitches.
you got, and then you got over there, and
that one's fiberglass though.
I don't know what the hell is going on over
that
here.
One's got fiberglass on it. Somebody thought it was a good idea. Somebody
Look at
is not me.
Little 8-ball, little black 8-ball.
I wanted to put full-size wheels on there, but
hell yeah.
So that's 4x100. That's a Honda, like a Civic lug pattern. The front is not though. I don't know the front is.
Oh, yeah, that's small.
So the front's the only thing that kept me from putting like 14-inch car wheels on here.
Send it. Just drill your own holes.
That's not a half bad idea. What,
Fuck it. 1,000 likes, and we'll make our own wheels for this thing. There you go, 1,000 likes. I'm gonna go work on my truck before I get soaking wet. Go cut some grass, eat some ass, cut some grass. Same thing, no? Uh-oh, shitting on me. Oh wow, look how smooth that thing rides. All right, toodaloo. Look at this guy thinking he can shut the doors on me. That's funny. Watch the door be locked. That'd be even funnier. Ooh. Trying to sneak in. What's he doing? Look at him. Wow. Look at my man, hard at work. So proud of him. He's never gonna realize I'm here. What's up? Just snuck in on you. My boy's in here wrapping up this BMW i8 and the Ford Raptor today. Ooh, hell yeah, that shit looks good. Hopefully I can get home and get these spacers off before the rain comes, because I'm gonna be doing this in the rain if the rain comes. I'm telling you guys right now. And hopefully the next clip is me not at home in the pouring rain taking these spacers off. Real quick, before we jump into this, I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I've just really, I don't have a weed eater, so I need to, just give me a second. First side went great. Second side, not so much. Wow. So let me break this down very simple for you guys. I know the only socket that I have that fits to take off the spacers on the back is the one that I just broke. So spacers aren't coming off today. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I cannot believe it. Well, so much for that. So I got the fronts done. Both the spacers are off the fronts, and literally as soon as I'm bolting up the last bolt, I break the only socket that's skinny enough to fit down the hole of the spacers. So to break it down for you guys, this is the spacer that was going on the rear, right? Now, this hole right here is only big enough for this to go in. The other sockets that I have are too fat, too wide, whatever you want to call it, to go in there. So I had to borrow this one from Bean at work. Huge shout out to Bean. Y'all just saw him with the four-wheeler. So I could take these off tonight. And it just broke. So spacers are gonna have to stay on until tomorrow. Thankfully the tool truck guy comes by tomorrow so we can get this warrantied out and replaced. But it'll have to be tomorrow until I can get those back spacers off. So now I'm gonna be riding around with 2 inches wider in the back than in the front. Wow, I'm like, that sucks. That really sucks. You literally, you can't plan that kind of thing. That you can't make that up. Wow, I don't even. The good news is we made it to work today. Today is the next day, obviously. We made it to work. We got the rear spacers off, and believe it or not, I actually like the way the truck looks without these spacers on it. I don't know why, but I just do. I like that it's a little bit more under the truck. It looks a little more sturdy, not as low and spread out. I don't know. You know, leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. We did take the spacers off. They're sitting in the back of the truck. I'll show you along with the rest of my crap back here. Got my huge shout out to Shark Tail Hitch, sponsor of today's video. Got the bore wheel spacers back here. As of right now, I'm not selling them, so don't message me. I've had a couple people message me already, but don't message me. As of right now, I'm not selling them, but I just want you guys to know that everything ended up okay. No issues. We got a new socket. We got the rear ones off. You guys will see some of that tomorrow, but hope you guys enjoyed the content. We got a little celebrating to do tomorrow, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on the bells, turn on the post notifications, and I will see you guys in Celebration Town tomorrow. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.